So in this video, we're going to go from this, dang it, to this. So in this video, I'll show you how to open a lift gate that is stuck or won't open, and to fix it as well. I'm fortunate enough to have the seat back here, so I had to take it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take off screws right up underneath here. Okay, there's one, and it's a Phillips head screw. And there's a second one, and this kind of hooks in there, so just gotta hook it. Set this to the side so I don't lose it. Okay, next I need to take this plastic panel off. And I am lucky that this actually opens up, so I'm gonna open the glass, get it out of the way. There we go. Okay, start from the center. Okay, right in here. It's the latch assembly, and there's the broken cable right there, actually. There we go. Alright, so to open it, I just simply grabbed this cable right here and pulled up on it. Okay, next I need to peel this off. Try and get it out of the way. And yes, I will put that back on. Okay, so here's the latch, and here's what is actually broken right here. You can see the cable's broke. Pop that out. You see, you just got a little hook in there. And go ahead and pop this end out too. Really cool if I could get that to unhook. There we go. Okay. So you can see both ends are actually broke on this one. Right here and right here. Alright, so you can see the little plastic pieces broke right here. So what I will need to do is take that piece off. And then this will just slide in there like so to replace it. Okay, once you get the ends on, then of course put it back on. So next put the cable on. Okay, so to make sure it's pushed down all the way, you can look right through here and see it bottomed out there. I used a pair of pliers to kind of hold it right like so and push it on down. So next put the cable on. Here. There we go. Hey, it works. If your clasp needs to be done, it connects right here And mine actually already has metal ends on it, so I had planned on replacing the latch for the glass, but it's all good. Hook this back in and screw it in. There we go. Wrap this sucker up and get out of here. If you like this video, select a like down there and subscribe if you would. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to it and who knows, maybe the next one you'll like. Thank you for watching.